Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sumatech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic logical operators in PHP. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is logical operators in PHP. So the logical operators are used to combine the two conditional statements. So now we are discussing the syntax of logical operator. That is, first of all we are taking the AND operator, which can also be written as in this symbol. Next one is OR, that can also be written as this symbols, and next is XOR, which is written as it is, and next is, so now we'll use this syntax in the programming language, that is in PHP. Suppose we have the tag that is PHP tag start and PHP tag close. In between this I have taken two variables, suppose X and Y. Now I will give the values of the both variables. Suppose I am giving 10 here and here also 10. After that I am giving a if statement. So in between the if statement I am clarifying that if my $x is equals to now the value that is 10. After that my variable that is y that is equals to the value that is 10. After that I will start the curly braces. In between this I have writing the echo function. Suppose I am giving the value that is hello and then semicolon. In between this here we will write the logical operator. Suppose I am talking about my AND operator, which states that the both of the conditions must be true. So this is the display screen. So here will be printed hello because the values are same. Suppose in this form we can also write the symbol of the AND operator, that is this symbol of the AND operator. Suppose now I am talking about the OR operator. This is the OR operator. Suppose my first statement is 10, second is also 10. Suppose I am giving here 11. So the first statement is correct, but the second is not correct. Even that in the OR function, it will echo the function that is hello because our one statement is correct. So now we are talking about the OR syntax, that is this. So this is also same as the OR function and it will display the value that is hello because one statement is been true. Suppose I am talking about the next syntax, that is XOR, which is the same as like OR statement, but the syntax is different. Suppose my first value is same but the second is not same, but even then the echo function will display the hello, that is our output. So now we are talking about the NOT function. So in NOT function we will take a single variable, that is our variable $x, and here the variable that is $x and that is not. And now here we will write the echo, that is hello, hello, after that the semicolon. So this is saying that if the variable 10 is here also 10, so suppose this is true, so the message will not be printed because we are checking if not equal. So now I am taking here 11. Suppose my value was 10 and there is 11. So is not equal, then the echo function will display our value, that is hello. So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.